Once again, a request from PL Panthers. Please send one person to the scoring rituals at the scorer. PL Panthers. Okay. Here we see on the big screen the two batters. Yeah, Yellow Army batting first. So first match of the day 5. PL Panthers taking up with Crest Digital. News from the center. Crest Digital won the toss, elected to field first. They invited PL Panthers. आप करिए बैटिंग, हम करेंगे चेस. देखना होगा कौन जीतेगा इस मैच का रेस. So the fielders are already on their position. The crowd is ready for the first ball of the evening. In the count of 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's play. Game on. First ball in the air and gone. Pehla ball, pehla wicket. Gajab, gajab cricket. It's like looking London, talking Tokyo. And that's a good running catch taken at covers. Or pehla ball, pehla mauka. First wicket fall very early. One ball bowled, none for one. So the batsman departs. Rohit, the dangerous batter. Robin got the wicket, and we have Shaurabh Rathi at the non-striker end. We have Monali coming at number 3. Looking to swing. That was a big shout to the umpire straight away. Oh, that was a big shot. And what happened there? Oh, she's walking. क्या बात है? Honesty is the best policy. Is that outside edge? Oh, that's one more wicket fall. Would you believe it? He's on a hat trick, Robin. Let's see if he will get it. 2 गेंद 2 विकेट, कोई रन नहीं. शुरुआत की है, प्रेशर में डाल दिया है. जो टीम चारों मैच जीती है, एंड क्रेस्ट डिजिटल, दे प्ले 2 मैचेस, दे लॉस्ट 1 and they won 1. Let's see hat-trick for Robin. Hat-trick chance. Skipper Bishnu on strike. कट करना चाहते थे. बहुत ही बेहतरीन डिलीवरी. टोटली बीट हो गए, कोई रन नहीं. एक्सीलेंट बॉलिंग. That's well placement at deep cover region. Will they coming for 2? No. So first run into the account of PL Panthers. 4 गेंद 1 रन 2 विकेट. Oh, he's got that outsider. Lucky there. Direct hit, but safe. So PL Panthers converting singles. Swing and a miss, looking for a big one. Good start from Robin. बेहतरीन शुरुआत. 1 ओवर के बाद 2 पे 2 PL Panthers. Is that skipper Ashwini? Yes. coming to bowl. And this is, he was looking very confident in the toss time. They tried to chase today. And let's see, important over for them as the captain taking the charge with the bowling. Saurabh, excellent play. And this time, direct hit could be the chance. The stump shattered, but the batsman was inside the crease. So they're taking एक run. यहाँ पर that's a clean rotation by both the batsmen. Low risk, steady returns. Classic long-term strategy अपना रहे हैं. Tossed up delivery इसको खेल दिया है. स्क्वायर की दिशा में 1 रन लेंगे. So slowly and steadily they are building the foundation and they will invest for a big one later on. अभी कट किया है बेहतरीन 1 रन लेंगे. So finding gaps, managing risk and keeping liquidity flowing. इस बार slower गेंद पूरी तरह बीट हो गए. That's a very good bowling variation from the skipper Ashwini. And that's a magical delivery. Timbered, shattered, dreams scattered. You can see on the big screen now. And one more wicket fall. Captain also strikes. ये आप देख सकते हैं action replay. पूरी तरह से beat हो गए. If you play across the line, you will definitely get hit on the stumps. 1.45 पे 3 PIL Panthers. We have Sahil Thakur, the new batter, walking. That's an excellent bowling from the skipper. और 1 wicket की पतन. Oh, that's a very good bowling. We'll take a 1. We'll get a 1 run. Not allowing the batter for a big one. This is absolutely attacking bowling performance. एक 1.5 पे 3 इस ओवर के आखिरी गेंद करेंगे कैप्टन अश्विनी. शॉर्ट पिच बॉल खेलना चाहते थे, टोटली बीट हो गए. दैट्स एंड ऑफ द ओवर. येट अनदर गुड ओवर फ्रॉम क्रेस्ट डिजिटल. 2 ओवर के बाद 6 पे 3 PIL पैंथर्स. Runs extras coming now wide. दो ओवर के बाद 7 पे 3 PIL पैंथर्स. अनिरुद्ध शर्मा. That's good defense, excellent bowling. Pressure on PIL Panthers, but Saurabh Rathi and Sahil Thakur, let's see. इस मैच को कमबैक करना होगा स्ट्रॉन्ग PIL पैंथर्स को. इस बार हल्के से टच कर दिया है. डीप बैकवर्ड पॉइंट की तरफ गेंद गई है और मिलेंगे 1 रन या 2 रन. 1 नहीं 2 रन लिए हैं. So converting 1 into 2, they just double their returns on the same delivery. Perfect execution, 0 risk. इस बार बेहतरीन कट किया है. कवर्स के क्षेत्र में गेंद चली गई है. 2 रन लेना चाहेंगे. एंड दैट्स 1 more 2 runs. A good running between the wickets. That was a good throw, but once again they converted well, 1 into 2. Smart investment in the running between the wickets. 2.3 11 पे 3 PL Panthers. इस बार ये इनसाइड एज और कीपर ने कलेक्ट किया इस गेंद को, 1 रन मिलेगा. स्ट्राइक रोटेट कर रहे हैं. So good intent from both the batters. Though they lost their wickets, but no pressure at all. 1-1 रन से गाड़ी आगे बढ़ रही है. Straight to the field, that shot cover. Oh, that's ये होना नहीं चाहिए था. And this is getting more. ये होता है क्रिकेट का प्रेशर. जहां पे 1 भी रन नहीं होना चाहिए था, वहां पे 2 रन दिए हैं. 2.5 14 पे 3. इस ओवर में आए 8 रन. पिछले ओवर में आए थे मात्र 4 रन. क्या बात है, बेहतरीन बॉलिंग. कमबैक किया है अनुरुद्धा ने. ओवर की समाप्ति आफ्टर 3 was gone. PL Panthers 14 for 3. So PL Panthers 4 matches they played unbeatable. And in the other group we have Clean Max Hybrid. They played 3 matches unbeatable. Let's see, must win for the team Crest Digital this match. Robin will continue. थोड़ी पटकी हुई गेंद, बट ये ऑफ स्टंप लाइन के बाहर जाते हुए गेंद. काफी शॉर्ट इस गेंद को पिच किया था. 3 ओवर के बाद 15 पे 3. क्या ये आउटसाइड एज है? बिल्कुल. और एक विकेट की पतन. PL Panthers losing their 1 more wicket. Excellent taken. Behind the stumps, good catch, good work. They lost 1 more wicket here. What a captainship by skipper Ashwani. Good catch taken by Vivek Upadhyay. Ashish comes down to the center. 15 पे 4. और इस बार उठा दिया है, आर पार भेज दिया है, लेकिन 1 रन मिलेगा एज पर द रूल बुक. So Ashish and Sahil looking confident. Robin really bowled well. 1.2, 4 runs only and 3 wickets. इस बार जोरदार प्रहार लॉन्ग ऑन के क्षेत्र में, 1 ही रन लेंगे. Oh, that's good bowling. Change in bowling variation. Bowling that fuller one, bit of slow variation. And a batsman just 1 option left to defend that ball. No run. 17 पे 4. That's played a good square cut. Only a single. What a good spell from Robin. 1.5, only 6 runs and 3 wickets. 3.5 18 पे 4 इस ओवर की आखिरी गेंद. Is that out? Oh, he missed it. He is disappointed with that. और एक विकेट यहां पर हो सकता था, लेकिन किस्मत का साथ आशीष. 4 ओवर के बाद 18 पे 4 PL Panthers. Good strategy from Crest Digital. And let's see who will going to bowl the next over. Now it's very important over. So hello and welcome back once again to all the viewers and spectators, those who are present here वॉचिंग अस लाइव ऑन यूट्यूब, ब्रूकफील्ड प्रीमियर लीग 2025, सभी का जोरदार स्वागत। आज की शाम क्रिकेट के नाम सीजन 5 एंड डे 5। That's a signal of the batting power play. One fielder allowed either at long off or long on. Let's see now PL Panthers क्या इस मैच में कमबैक करेंगे। थोड़ा प्रेशर है, शुरुआत थोड़ी धीमी हुई है, विकेट खोए पर रन्स बने हैं, पर अब इस मोमेंटम को बरकरार रखना होगा, कुछ और करना होगा, कुछ कमाल करना होगा। Up and over, played safe. Will they come back for two? They're going for it. No, yes, yes, no. But only a single. Sunil Kumar Singh, the new bowler. Ashish will face Sunil next delivery. Bit of down the track, played fine, went at cow corner region. And 2 runs. So directly converting leads into converting inquiries into sales. That's 2 runs taken. 4.2 21 पे 4 PL Panthers. आगे आके जोरदार घुमाने की कोशिश की थी लेकिन टोटली बीट हो गए। Yet another good bowling from Sunil Kumar Singh. In the air, high in the air. Went at the corner region, cow corner region. Will they come back for 2? और 2 रन यहाँ पे लेंगे। So good anticipation, saw the opportunity, reinvested instantly and 2 runs taken. This time high in the air. Oh, he drops it. यहां पर जीवन दान मिला है. That's went very much miles in the air and you can see the action replay. क्या छूटा सपना टूटा है. Oh, that's ball is just going squidding to the wicket keeper directly. End of the over. 5 ओवर के बाद 25 पे 4. किसकी होगी जीत, किसकी होगी हार? खटैक. Five was gone, 25 for 4. And skipper once again, Ashwani, comes into the attack. That's played, a fielder standing there at widish long on and cow corner. 1 रन मिलेगा. 26 पे 4 है स्कोर. Swing and a miss, big appeal. and refer to the third umpire. And the question to the third umpire there. A good stumping by the wicket keeper. And Crest Digital expecting one more wicket. And yes, that's out. और एक विकेट की बदन. So it's 26 for 5 down. PL Panthers. The captain Ashwani doing a fantastic job. So well played by Ashish. 8 of 9 balls. Departs 26 पे 5. Atul the new batter. इस बार अच्छी बॉलिंग फ्लिक करना चाहते थे. पैरों पर लगकर ये बैकवर्ड रीजन में गई है. कोई रन नहीं. There is no leg by, no byes run. Smartly played at square leg region. Single taken. So that's a soft and quick call. Single taken. That's gone high in the air. Oh, that was some mix-up, but Aniruddha has taken that. Sumit के सुनील केम को धक्का हुआ और ये और एक विकेट की पतन. बेहतरीन कैच. And that's a one more wicket fall. Excellent bowling performance. 27 for 6 after 5.5. Joydeep joining the party with Atul. Fielder tried to stop that, but only a single. छह ओवर के बाद 28 पे 6 पीएल पैंथर्स. So Kritika Sharma into the bowling attack. 1 run. Looking for a big one to connect. Chance here and पहुंच गए क्रीज पर. And this time very good stop by skipper Ashwini there. That's in the air. And well taken by Sunil. Simple catch. One more wicket fall. PL Panthers losing. They got runs on the board, but they lost the wicket also in the regular intervals. 6.4 30 पे 7 PL Panthers. Last two ball coming up of the first innings. So one more wicket here. What is happening? Coming up the last ball of the first innings, 6.5 30 पे 8. आखिरी गेंद पहली पारी इस बार उठा दिया है, इनके हाथों में चिपक गई गेंद और एक विकेट. गुड कैचिंग एंड लॉन्ग ऑफ. 7 ओवर के बाद 30 पे 9. Great performance by Crest Digital. And the target to win for 31. Stay tuned, we'll back after some time for the chase of 31 for Crest. And meanwhile, second match coming up. Leap Titans versus Digital Connection. Hello and welcome back once again. What an exciting first match, and Crest Digital captain will be happy. He was talking about that I can defend that score at 31 and ended that 30. जो उन्होंने बोला है वो करके दिखाया है. 30 में रेस्ट्रिक्ट करेंगे और उन्होंने ऐसे किया है. The target of 31 to chase. But now going for the second match, toss ka boss. I request toss ka boss, Mr. Jitendra sir, to come forward and captain from Digital Connection and Leap Titans. So first of all, how is the feeling second day for you, sir? How is the Mumbai weather, and what is your preparation for the team?
Yeah, this time weather was supporting us because last time was very warm. This time, both in Coimbatore and here, we feel same set of weather.
Okay, you won first match. Is the second match for you, so momentum will be continuing the same strategy.
Yeah, yesterday was bit of bitter and sweet. Not only match result, even the player performance as well. Because a few wonderful catches grabbed and few easy catches are dropped. Okay, so today our plan is to entertain our spectators.
They need to entertain. They will entertain the spectacle show because Elengo, yeah, player, right? Elengo, there's a player. Yeah, he had made a fantastic job. Coming to digital connection, you played also one match and won one match. How is the feeling and how is the environment here?
Feels good, feels positive. There's energy out in the entire team. So we are all out to win this one, and we will try our 100% out here.
I wish you all the best, both the captains. So, Jitendra sir will flick heads or tail. Who will call? Leap Titans will call.
Tail.
Tails is a call. Tails it is. You won the toss. What you decided and why?
Yeah, we're going to bowl first because most of the teams winning who bowl first. Okay, so we can restrict them. The batter can easily play their shots. We can, if they say know the target, we can plan accordingly.
I wish you all the best. So first batting है, एक दमदार शुरुआत करनी है. जैसे यहाँ पे फर्स्ट मैच देखा है 31 टू विन है, तो आप एक बड़ा टारगेट सेटअप करना सोचेंगे.
Yes, so we will be aiming at somewhere around 50 to 60, and that is our strategy now since we are batting first. So let's see how we work out.
Okay, I wish you all the best. So coming up, the second match after this match. So the Leap Titans won the toss and they decided to bowl first. They invited Digital Connection to bat first. Coming up live of this match sometime, but stay tuned for the first match live. Thank you very much, gentlemen. And once again, we are live here. And what is this happening? A big shout. Is that out? पीआईएल पैंथर्स ने हार नहीं मानी है, 30 रन बनाए है तो क्या हुआ, करेंगे हम डिफेंड। सेलिब्रेशन बाय द येलो आर्मी दे ऑन द फील्ड। तो ये है क्रिकेट का खेल, कभी खुशी कभी गम, कौन बनेगा मैच का सिंघम। फोर balls being bowled, it's 1 for 1. Small target or more drama will be happening, let's see. Kritika Sharma, she bowled really well. Really bowled well, Kritika Sharma. 1 over 2 for 2 now. Responsibility with the bat. Trying to swing, but good start from Ashish. मात्र 1 रन दिए है 1 ओवर के बाद, 1 for 1. So Monali already started the proceedings. That's played at Cow Corner region. Only a single. Slowly and steady wins the race. That's a strategy from Kritika and Vivek. Taking 1 run, rotating the strike. Attacking, fielding her for Kritika. कोशिश यहाँ पे करेंगे 1 रन लेने के लिए। So very good over by Monali, only 1 run conceded. 2 ओवर के बाद 2 पर 1, क्रेस्ट डिजिटल 29 to get from 30 balls. So in the first over, 1 run by Ashish and 1 run by Monali. And that's what PIL Panthers is called for. They are, and why they are unbeatable. This is the reason. 4 मैच में से कोई मैच हार नहीं, ओनली जीत ही जीत. बिकॉज उनका मंत्र है कॉर्बोल और जीत बो. सौरभ राठी will bowl the next over. Vivek Upadhyay and joining Aniruddha Sharma. Vivek on strike, the Delhi boy. Let's see. Smartly played a cut shot. Only a single. Defensively played. What a pressure PIL Panthers is creating here. Excellent. Good cricket by PIL Panthers. Down the track, high in the air, chance. No man's land. Will they come back for two? Direct hit could be the chance. What's the umpire says? 2 रन लिया है तेज रफ्तार के साथ रनिंग बिटवीन द विकेट्स. 1-2. So Anirudh off the mark with a couple of runs. Oh, what happened there? ये क्या हो गया? डायरेक्ट हिट कोशिश है. एलईडी लाइट ब्लिंक हुआ था लेकिन बेल्स वाज नॉट ऑफ. In fact, excellent work by the fielder to throw that and trying to hit on the non-striker end. 2.46 पर 1 टेस्ट मैच बना दिया है पीएल पैंथर्स ने. That's played at long on region. Only a single. So they will go for a one single run, rotating the strike. And that's what they will play. That's outside edge. 1 run. So 3 was gone, 8 for 1. Crest Digital. So let's see एक रन से यहाँ पर गाड़ी आगे बढ़ाएंगे. And that's the beauty of smart cricket. You don't always need fireworks. Consistent flow of 1-1 run will get the target chase. 23 रन चाहिए अब 24 गेंदों में. It's a runner ball, but still PIL Panthers इस मैच को ऐसे ही जाने देंगे. रोहित is one of the fantastic contender. Only a single. Slowly and steadily coming back in the match. Crest Digital. Vivek and Aniruddha. A big responsibility on the shoulder. One fielder at long on, one at long off, one at deep cover. Looking to swing, but umpire signaling that wide, just going outside the off-stump line. बाईस रन की दरकार है 23 गेंदों में. Now 21 from 23. Indeed. Swing and miss. Looking to connect. Completely missed it. Good bowling from Rohit. He's really good in defending bowling in the second inning especially. And that's what Captain Bishnu will expect from him. इस बार उठा दिया है कीपर के ऊपर से. टॉप एज एंड सिंगल. 20 runs to get 21 balls left. Single taken direct. Oh, there was no throw by Captain Bishnu. Single taken. Rotating the strike. Oh, lucky there. एक रन यहां पर ले रहे हैं. Quick call, that smart move, low investment, guaranteed return. 3.5 13 पर 1. Coming up the last ball of the fourth over. 5 runs conceded. Swing and a miss. Vivek trying to hit. Good bowling from Rohit. 4 ओवर के बाद 13 पर 1. 18 balls and 18 runs to get. Saurabh Rathi will continue. 4 ओवर 13 पर 1. balls, 18 runs. That's played at mid-wicket region. Will they come back for 2? And they will get it. So quick conversion. They just double their returns on the same delivery. Perfect execution, zero risk. सत्रह गेंद है बचे 16 रन्स बनाने हैं. In the air, oh! Looking to play a scoop shot. Indeed, a bit of that pallu scoop. Only 1 run. 15 रन चाहिए, 16 गेंद है बचे. In the air and taken. Second wicket fall. Sandeep has taken that at short mid wicket. दूसरे विकेट की पतन. PL Panthers looking good touch. Crest also looking good touch. Roller coaster ride for both the teams. 4.3, 16 पे 2. Crest Digital. 15 balls and 15 runs needed. Mohammad Nazim comes down to the center. शॉर्ट पिच बॉल पुल कर दिया, गेंद को गुल कर दिया, लेकिन एक ही रन मिलेगा. And this is what Crest Digital will look for. Run a ball, 14 ball 14. Steps forward, looking to play across the line. And missed it completely. Will get only 1 run. That's a smart bowling from Saurabh Rathi. He completed his spell, 2 over 11 for 1. And after 5 overs, 18 for 2. 12 balls and 13 runs to get. 12 गेंद है बचे, 13 रन की दरकार. देखना होगा किसकी है आज क्रेस्ट की सरकार या PL Panthers. So 5 gone, 18 for 2. You're watching Brookfield Premier League 2025 Season 5, Day 5. Okay, that's a batting power play. One fielder allowed at the either long off or long on. Only one fielder at long off or long on. So advantage for the batsman to hit at, let's see, either long off or long on. Who's a fielder? "13 runs, 12 balls." Right jump round the wicket, high in the air, safe landing, coming back for 2, chance for the run out there, and 2 runs taken. So 11 balls and 11 runs. And what happened there? Well, that's a no ball single by the umpire. And coming up, the next ball will be no ball, and that's a free hit signal. What a fantastic camera work there by the broadcasting team. Rohit at long on, coming back for 2. क्या 2 रन लिए है? स्मार्ट रनिंग. 8 रन की दरकार, 11 गेंद है बच्चे. So 8 to get, 10 balls left. That's a good bowling. पटकी हुई गेंद, उसको खेलना चाहते थे, टोटली बीट हो गए. इनफैक्ट हुक शॉट खेलना चाहते थे. 9 balls and 8 to get. That's played straight. Rohit standing there. At long on, coming back for 2 and referred to the third umpire. Good throw. And let's see, PIL Panthers will expect a wicket here that will create a pressure on Crest Digital. This is the moment of the changing the fortunes, changing the game, holding the nerves, both the teams. दिल में है धक धक. देखना होगा यहाँ पर थर्ड अंपायर का क्या इशारा होगा. That's not out. So 6 to get, 1 big hit and that's it. The matter of just 1 big hit for the winning ticket for the Crest Digital. और 2 डिफेंडिंग गेंद अब इस ओवर में साहिल ठाकुर कोशिश करेंगे. इस बार उठा दिया है हवा में गेंद. मिलेंगे 1 रन. 5 रन चाहिए अब 7 गेंदों में. PL Panthers will definitely look for wicket back to back, and Crest Digital will just finish it off in style. Important delivery of the match. Oh no! What's the umpire's call? Square leg. Refer to the third umpire. Smart work by skipper Bishnudel. Yes, what's a presence of mind? Kya baat hai? What a presence of mind there. And let's see. Referred square leg umpire to the third umpire. क्या यहाँ पर मैच टर्न हो सकता है? Yellow Army has done a fantastic job. Also, Crest has done a fantastic job. And this is the moment of the game. That's out. यहाँ पर प्रेशर अब क्रेस्ट डिजिटल पर. Seven balls and 5 runs. Chance here. Let's see. Direct and what is this happening? What is this happening? ये क्या हो रहा है? मिक्सअप हो गया, विकेट खोया है. ये है क्रिकेट का प्रेशर. क्रिकेट का खेल, अनिश्चितताओं का खेल. सही कहा. That's out. PL Panthers इसीलिए तो चार मैच में से चारों जीते हैं और अब इस मैच में कोशिश कर रहे हैं डिफेंड करने के लिए. So they need only 3 runs in final over. 3 रन चाहिए 6 गेंदों में. मैच को पूरी तरह से रोमांचक बना दिया है. Let's see. 3 singles or they will get a boundary. Rohit once again will try to defend. Let's see. 6 balls and 3 runs. Oh no, but good fielding there, good fielding. कैच यहां पर थोड़ा मिसजजमेंट हुआ, पर अच्छी फील्डिंग. पर यहां पर स्कोर्स है लेवल. 1 रन चाहिए 5 गेंदों में. What a match, what a match. 1 needed, 5 balls left. And that's gone. Still the chance is on. Scores are level. Excellent catch. Good judgment by Sahil Thakur at long on. तो ये है क्रिकेट का मैच. अजब गजब खेल है, अनिश्चितताओं का खेल है. 1 रन चाहिए, 4 गेंद है बचे. सबकी निगाह इस मैच पर. Oh my God, what is this happening? What is this happening? Every ball wicket, every ball celebration, every ball pressure, holding the nose. PIL Panthers ऐसे ही जाने नहीं देंगे और एक रन आउट और एक विकेट. Absolutely fantastic bowling performance, fielding performance. 3 गेंद बचे हैं, 1 रन चाहिए है. Scores are level. Can we expect a super over? Everyone on their feet. If the match got tied, then the points will be shared 1-1 point. There's no super over. Oh, no run. That's no run. 2 गेंद बचे हैं, 1 रन की जरूरत है. अगर मैच ड्रॉ होता है तो 1-1 पॉइंट मिलेगा दोनों टीम को. What a match this is. Rohit. I'm holding my nose. Everyone holding my nose here. Holding their nose. Oh my God, what is this happening? What is this happening? What a match. What a match. One more wicket. पूरी तरह से प्रैक्टिस करके आए PIL पैंथर्स. ऐसे ही 1 पॉइंट जाने नहीं देंगे. 1 बॉल 1 रन की दरकार. What a hit. फील्डिंग स्ट्रैटेजी ऐसी अपनाई है कि हर बॉल विकेट लेंगे. What a match, what a match. 1 ball, 1 needed. Everyone on their feet. Leap Titans बोल रहे कि ये क्या हो रहा है? What is this happening? Every team is on their feet and watching this fantastic performance of PIL Panthers and Crest Digital. क्या बात है? All the spectators are watching. They are like, what is happening? Here we go. 1 ball, 1. Is that single? There's something discussion, something happening here. What's umpire confirmation? Let's see. 1 रन लिया है या मैच इज ड्रॉन. क्या ये मैच टाई है? एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए for both the teams. क्या परफॉर्मेंस रहा है? मैच इज ड्रॉन. मैच इज टाई. दोनों टीम को 1-1 पॉइंट मिलेगा. Oh my God, fantastic performance. The first match of the tournament ended as a tie. 30 for 7, 30 for 9 PIL Panthers. Look at the big screen, you can watch the scorecard. Initially, Crest won the toss, decided to bowl first. And PIL Panther 30 for 9, 30 for 7. I request both the teams, जल्द से जल्द आ जाइए in the presentation ceremony.